So we just like started with Dave like 2 days ago, the deep focus session in the morning. So that's why I have like little eyes because I woke up super early this morning. But I wanted to say thank you because honestly, we've got like so many content ideas following the script module script OS. I'm really really happy about like all the process and all the ideas we've came with. All good stuff. So this morning actually we worked on our landing page because we had a call. I think that was 4 days ago with Sean about our offer. So we came up with a nice idea. Like he gave us like some recommendation to follow for our sales channels and like the messaging. But the only thing I'm kind of like anxious about, let's say, about this launching is the fact that we don't have social proof. And I watched like the video you've made about the landing page, and you're really like you're super into like social proof. So we kind of like started to brainstorm a bit with David this afternoon about like what we could use as a social proof. So we don't have like, I don't know, like screenshot. We don't have like
Okay.
testimonials. We don't have
I got you.
none of that.
Cool. Cool. Well, I'm curious, like one thing I do just to right out the gate, like hack this kind of process is like first off, like have you helped anyone with the accountability around what you do ever in your life? And the reason I ask as an example is like, say I'm starting an offer helping founders, right? Yeah, I haven't necessarily like launched that offer yet, but before that, over the last decade, I've helped a lot of founders in just different ways. And a few of them would be happy to like just say, yeah, Matt's legit and he knows what he's doing. Or I would vouch for Matt's ability to build communities. Or I really know Matt. Like, I remember when I was starting my thing, reaching out to like the president of Shopify, Harley, who I've known for a while, and him vouching for me. Or, Justin Welsh saying I really know systems or whatever it may be, right? Like there's people that it can just be anyone, right? That you've just helped with accountability, just being like, yeah, you're really legit. It doesn't mean that the thing you're offering is legit. They don't need to use that language. But I think you get what I'm saying, right? Like oftentimes there's a lot of people that we've just helped in and around what we're offering that you can just go and get testimonials from them now just to get to that initial rung of social proof.
Yeah, I have an idea now. That
Yeah.
was that simple, but yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Typically what I challenge you to do is like really think about that. Like go and get 30 of those. Like, cause they exist. Like it's like time to kind of call favors, and like you have all these friends like, oh, you know what? Kind of think of it. Yeah, I did take that person's call late at night that one time, helping them with the thing like 6 weeks ago. It's like, yeah, just go and hit them up. Hey, I'm starting this thing. Here's I'm just get a testimonial, not on the thing, but just like how I helped you and how it helped you, like, get that breakthrough that I helped you with. Cool, no problem. Boom. They leave a little thing. There's one. And just now you're just at least you're getting people to vouch for like your ability to like motivate them, help them break through things, get unstuck, the insights and leadership you have. And like that's enough to just have V1 social proof for what you're doing. Now, a tool I use for this kind of stuff is called testimonial.to. I just sent you guys a link just as an example of it. That's like what it looks like when you send it to people. The actual software, I have no affiliation with this. I just sent you in the chat. That's what I would use. I would create an account on there if I were you. This is what we use for our stuff. And I would like set up your little dashboard, your questions, and then boom, like you can just ask someone, hey, you down with it? Yada, yada, yada. They're like, yeah, sure, let's do it. Boom, send it over. They can either leave a text or video one, and then you're rocking and rolling. And then the cool thing is if you want, you can plug that into your website. So it just like auto populates there. You can also create like a wall of love from it, which creates like a separate link with just like all your testimonials on that link, which sometimes is a useful asset for your sales team. So that they can kind of like, if someone's like, oh, have you helped anyone with this? It's like, yeah, here, check this out. Like we have a whole wall of people we've helped. So
Amazing. Yeah, I have definitely like a bunch of people I help, I think, with that. I used to do network marketing before. I did that during 5 years and I had like a big network of people. Well, it's in French, so I'll have to be like smart. But I know other people like from Australia I work with, like, and even like Dave, I think you know a bunch of people. So we can use that. I don't know, it's just like maybe a weird thing, or you have the feeling that you never saw that before. So it's just a limited belief.
Yeah.
Probably also like you're like, I don't know anyone. I don't know how I'm gonna like put that in front of them saying, hey, I actually like help no one but buy my stuff, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I would say
Um,
that, the reason why I use this kind of stuff as an example to like get social proof at least going is like because I think that a lot of the time, sure, like you don't have a thing and people are going to know it's a new thing, whatever, but like they want to know like who are you as a person? Are you to be trusted? What's people's experience working with you in the past?
yeah.
Like what's been, their vibe with you? And those just testimonials around like who you are, your character, their experience with you, they do go a long way. And most people don't know about this stuff because most people just haven't thought about this, right? So that's kind of what we do in Founder OS, right? Is like help people with these kinds of like little ways of getting unstuck in these kind of areas. So yeah, I would just go and leverage your network and have them speak. You're not asking them to speak to the results you've driven. I would say I'm just looking for you to leave something around your experience working with me. Oh, she was great, super trustworthy, learned a lot. Cool. Like all that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Right. And then stacking them up.
So
Yeah.
you would like forget the idea of like the 2 videos of us talking.
You can do that too. But the whole thing, just to be transparent around like when we're talking about social proof, is again
Yeah.
the idea that like as you've probably heard from me, it's like people don't buy what you sell, they buy what others want to buy. So what
Yeah.
we're trying to do is we're trying to show that other people are vouching for you.
Mm.
The videos from you guys doesn't solve that problem. It's like, of course, you guys think your thing's awesome. Like, I'm wondering what other people think.
All right.
So, yeah. Uh,
Great. Well, we have more work to do then, but that's cool. Thanks,
that done
Mark.
pretty quick. I think in like 1 week, you make a challenge to yourselves getting 20 of them. Just text messaging people that you know or looking through your phone contacts and you can get it pretty quick. And people oftentimes are really like willing to do it, especially if you've been useful in the past. So yeah.
Amazing. Thanks.
Cool.